Hello, all my dear students. Welcome for the lecture MEP. What is MEP? Microcontroller and Embedded Programming. Myself, Archana Sogule, Assistant Professor from IT Department. Now, today's our lecture number 19. Before we'll start the content of lecture number 19, we will revise what we learned in the last lecture number 18. So, in the last lecture, we learned the structure of stepper motor and how to interface the stepper motor with 8051 microcontroller. When we talk about the structure of the stepper motor, we know that the stepper motor is used in dot matrix printers, disk drives. What is the main advantage of the stepper motor? To control the position. Then it generally have rotor and rotor is surrounded by the stator. Then when we talk about some parameters of the stepper motors, we know that there are four different parameters: step angle, steps per revolution, steps per second, and RPM. This RPM, revolution per minute. Then we know that when we want to interface the 8051 with stepper motor, we need to use one IC, that is ULN2003 or ULN2003A. What it is? It is a convert the high voltage high current transistor array relay driver. How many pins is having? It having total 16 pins. Out of that, there are 8 total 7 pins are the input pins and total 7 pins as the output pins. Then we know that unipolar stepper motor work in three different modes. The first one is wave drive mode, where only one coil is energized at a time. Then we having full drive mode, where two coils are energized at the same time. And the third one is a half drive mode, where it will energize the first coil, then energize the two coils simultaneously. So it's a combination of wave mode and full drive mode. So when we want to interface the stepper motor with 8051, we can interface using ULN2003A, where we use port 0 4 pins as a output pins from the 8051 and connect to the input pin of ULN2003A, and ULN2003A output pins are connected to the stepper motor to control the position. So this is a revision of our last lecture. What we learned in the last lecture of MEP, that is lecture number 18. Now today's our lecture number 19. So what is learning objective of lecture number 19? Today we are going to learn LCD structure in the detail. What is LCD? Liquid crystal display. We know that liquid crystal display very well, right? On the slide, we can see the simple LCD where it displays the circuit digest. Then we are going to learn how to interface the LCD with 8051 microcontroller. Now, so we know that is a display device. So it is obviously the most popular output device. It's commonly used in different embedded projects and different electronic products. If we take them an example, 16 by 2 LCD. It's the most commonly used display unit. 16 by 2 means what it indicates? There are two rows in which 16 characters we can display per line, where each character takes 5 by 7 matrix space on the LCD. Matrix means rows and columns combination. So when we talk about the LCD, if you have the 16 pins, so we will see the pins and their functions. The first category of the pin is power pins. That is the pin number 1 and 2, which indicate VSS, and pin number 2 VDD or VCC. VSS means this pin is connected to the ground, so it is a ground pin. Then pin number 2 is VDD or VCC means it is a plus 5 volt voltage pin, that is power supply pin. Then we have in the next category of the pin contrast pin, that is the pin number 3 and the 4. So pin number 3 is a V0 or VEE. This indicate contrast setting. Connect to the VCC through a variable register. Then what is the RS? Register select pin. If RS equal to 0, there is a command mode. When RS equal to 1, there is a data mode. The next category of the pin is a control pins. This is pin number 5 and the 6. So pin number 5 is a read write pin. When RW equal to 0, it is a write mode. When RW equal to 1, it is a read mode. The pin number 6 is a enable pin, that is E pin. High to low pulse needed to enable the LCD. The next category of the pin are the data pins. Pin number 7 to 14, that is D0 to D7. So total 8 data pins are there. We store the data which we want to display on LCD, or it store the command instructions. And the last category of the pins are backlight pins, pin number 15 and the 16. It's LED plus or A and LED minus or K. To power the backlight, plus 5 volt, and to backlight ground. Means backlight for the plus 5 volt and backlight for the ground. Pin number 15 and the 16. So how many categories are there? 5 categories of the pins. Power pins, pin number 1 2, contrast pin 3 4, control pins 5 6, data pins 7 to 14, and backlight pins pin number 15 to 16. So now we see in the detail. What is the RS pin? Register select pin. Okay. So if you are sending some data to display on the LCD, it will set to 0. If you are sending some command instructions like clear the screen, this is means sending the data to display, this pin is 1. And if we are sending some command instructions, we are setting this pin to 0. Then read write pin, we know that if it is 0, we are going to write some data on the LCD. And if this pin is 1, we are reading some data from the LCD. And when we talk about the RW pin, it generally set to 0 because we cannot have need to read the data from LCD, because LCD is a output display device. It's a LCD display device, no? That's why. Then E pin, there is enable pin to enable the module when a high to low pulse is given to it. A pulse of 450 ns nanosecond should be given. That transition from high to low make the module enable. So to enable the module, what is the value of the pulse? 450 ns. Now we will see here on the slide some X code for the command to LCD instruction register. The first 0F means LCD on, cursor on. Then 01 X code means clear display screen. 02 means return the home. 04 means decrement the cursor, means shift the cursor to left. 06 increment the cursor, and shift the cursor to right. Then X code 5 shift display right. X code 7 shift display left. 0E display on cursor blinking. 80 means force cursor to beginning of the first line. C0 means force cursor to beginning of the second line. 38 means 2 lines and 5 by 7 matrix. 83 means cursor line 1 position 3. 3C means activate the second line. 08 means display of cursor off. C1 jump to second line position 1. 0C means display on cursor off. Then C1 jump to second line position 1. C2 means jump to second line position 2. So these are some X codes which are used for command for the LCD instruction register. Now on the slide we can see the interfacing of 8051 with LCD. So when we see in the diagram, we can see that the port P2.0 to port P2.7, that is the port 2, 0th pin to 8 pin. This total 8 pins are there, 0 to 7 pins. Pin number 21 to 28 connected to the data pins of LCD, that is D0 to D7. Then read, write and enable pin is connected to the port 3 pin number 12, 13 and 14. That is INT0, INT1 and timer 0 pins of 8051. Then 8051 port pin is VCC, pin number 20 is connected to the ground. Then when you see the LCD pin VEE, connected to the ground, VSS connected to the power supply, 10k ohm RV1 is there. Then to provide the clock for 8051, there is a crystal oscillator frequency, XTL1 and XTL2 is connected. We generate the clock for 8051. So, data pins of LCD D0 to D7 connected to the port 2, P2.0 to P2.7 of 8051. Then control pins RS, RW and E, that is pin number 12, 13, 14. Pin 2, 3, 4 of port 3 of 8051 is connected. Means LCD pins 12, 13, 14 connected to the pin 2, 3, 4 of 8051. Then pin 2 and pin 15 of LCD is connected to the voltage 5 volt. Then pin 1 and pin 16 are connected to the ground. That is pin 1 means VSS pin and pin 16 means backlight ground pin is connected to the ground of LCD. Then pin 3, that is V0 pin, is connected to the voltage VCC through a variable resistor of 10k. Why? To adjust the contrast of LCD. The middle leg of variable resistor is connected to pin 3 and other two legs are connected to the voltage supply and the ground. So, this is the interfacing of 8051 with LCD. So, what is the important there? Port 2 pins connected to the data pins. Then VSS, VDD and VE connected to the ground pins and plus 5 volt pins. Then port 3 pin number 12, 13 and 14 connected to the pin number 4, 5, 6 of LCD, that is RS, RW and E, which will be enable the LCD pins. Now we will see simple program for the interfacing of 8051 with LCD. Now hope you are able to see this program. So, what is the first? Hash include register 51.h. This is for 8051. Then we define display port 2. That is data pins connected to the port 2 on the microcontroller. Then S bit RS equal to P3 or 2. That means RS pin connected to pin 2 of port 3. Then S bit RW equal to P3 or 3. Means RW pin is connected to pin 3 of port 3. And the next S bit E equal to P3 or 4. That means enable pin, that is E pin, is connected to the pin 4 of port 3 of 8051. Then void ms delay means function for creating the delay in millisecond. So we talk about the millisecond. Unsigned ij, we declare the two loops. For I equal to 0, I is less than time, I increment. Then for j equal to 0, j is less than 1275 and j incremented. Then void LCD CMD unsigned character command. That is a function to send the command instructions to the LCD. So display port equal to command RS equal to 0, RW equal to 0 and E equal to 1. Then MS delay we are passing the 1 and then E equal to 0. The next void LCD data unsigned character display data. What is that? It's a function to send the display data to the LCD. So display port equal to display data, RS equal to 1, RW equal to 0, E equal to 1 and MS delay function with the 1, that is true, and then E equal to 0. Then we are writing the function to prepare the LCD and get it ready. LCD CMD 0 into 38 for using 2 lines and 5 by 7 matrix of LCD. Because we are using a 16 by 2 LCD, so it is having 2 lines and 5 by 7 matrix of LCD. And MS delay is 10. Then LCD CMD 0x0f turn display on cursor blinking. Then MS delay 10. Then clear the screen command LCD CMD 0x01. MS delay again 10. Then bring the cursor to position 1 of line 1. What the X command we are writing? LCD CMD 0x81 and again MS delay is 10. That's a 10 millisecond. Then main function string of 14 character with a null terminator. I will write that unsigned character A15 equal to circuit digest. This we want to display. This is string. Then int L equal to 0. LCD initialize while L is not equal to /0, means searching for the null terminator in the sentence. Then LCD data A of L, then increment the L, and we are creating the delay, passing the delay here is a 50 millisecond. That's why we are passing ms delay in the 50 in the function. So this is a simple string to display on the LCD. Which string we are displaying here? Circuit digest. So what we learned today? We learned the structure of LCD, the liquid crystal display structure 16:2, and then we learn how to interface the 8051 with LCD. Textbooks, of course, you have to refer Masidi book for 8051 microcontroller and embedded system using assembly and the C. Then I mentioned one reference website. This website I used during the preparation of the PPT for this lecture. Thank you. If you are having any question, you can ask me.